Today's draft delivery tip. We're going to talk about sizing when we have multiple images we want to size and keep all the same. So we've got a dog, a cat, another dog, and a little sheep, and you can tell they're all 4 different sizes. So we're going to shift and click to select all 4. Go to Format, Arrange. We want to make sure that Constrain Proportions is clicked. And now we can see they're all different heights, that's why it's subdued, but when they're kind of reset and we're going to just start clicking numbers, or we can just type in, let's say, 175, we'll just click as a size. It's going to constrain the proportions, and then we can move them around because they're all 4 the same size now. So I'm just going to kind of line them up here, snap them in. So again, if I shift and click to select all of them, let's say I just grab this one, only that one will go, even though I got them all selected. But now that they're all selected, then I go back to that Format, Arrange, and Size, and as I increase, you can see all 4 of them, or all the ones that are selected, will increase. And that's your draft delivery tip of how to size multiple images.